Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Wix website. First of all you have to do is open your Wix website and sign in with your account and head over to the dashboard. And that's how the dashboard looks like. From here you have to select the getting paid option. From here you have to select connect and setups. From here you have to select connect payment method. From here you will see PayPal as a connection method, okay? But I want to let you know that PayPal will only show if you have set your country to USA or in the country where PayPal is supported. If you have selected the country in Wix that is unsupported by PayPal, then PayPal won't be showing in this section, okay? So once your location has been changed, then you will see PayPal here. You have to click on connect. After that, you have to enter your PayPal email address. And after that, click on connect. From here, a new website or tab will open. Now, PayPal is asking me to confirm that I am going to connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on Wix.com. And you have to click on next, and that's how to add PayPal to Wix website. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.